Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Clawdbot for macOS. First, install Homebrew on your macOS system. Open Terminal and run the installation command that you can see on the screen. After installation, verify that Homebrew is installed correctly by typing brew space -- version and press enter. If a version number appears, Homebrew is ready to use. Next, install node.js using Homebrew. In Terminal, type brew space install space node and press enter. After installation, verify it by typing node space -v and pressing enter. Then, type npm space -v and press enter. If version numbers appear, node.js is installed correctly. Now clone the Clawdbot repository. Type git space clone space https://github.com/username/clawdbot.git and press enter. Make sure to replace username /clawdbot with the official repository URL. Then navigate into the project folder by typing cd space Clawdbot and pressing enter. After that, install the required packages by typing npm space install and pressing enter. Next, configure your environment variables. Create a .env file by typing nanospace.env and pressing enter. Inside this file, add the required details. On the first line, type bot_token equals your bot token. On the second line, type database_URL equals your database URL. On the third line, type port equals 3000. After adding these values, save and exit the file by pressing Ctrl+X, then press Y, and then press enter. Now start the bot by typing node space index.js and pressing enter. To keep the bot running continuously, install PM2 globally by typing npm space install space -g space p2 and pressing enter. Then type PM2 space start space index.js space -- name space Clawdbot and press enter. Finally, type PM2 space save space PM2 startup and press enter to ensure the bot starts automatically after a reboot. Your Clawdbot is now live and running 24/7 on macOS. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.